Por favor.
Right.
Sure.
Okay.
That would scare the shit out of me. That was so freaking scary though. That was whack, bro. Is it done yet? Take it. Make sure it's not hot. Yeah, bro. Do another! Get that out with her! Hey, bro, get the fucking water. Rock, bro. What is this right here?
Those are mortars.
Sammy, you gotta open that.
No, let me see. Let me see. Bring them. Bring them.
Oh.
There's a lighter. Magic trick.
Make a video of that. That'll go viral.
That's a magic trick. Make a video of that. Say,
Oh.
good job, Daddy.
Hey!
Fuck out of here. Kill this motherfucker.
Why is it in the mail, babe? Okay.
You gotta pull it out a little bit, bro.
So it's gonna pop right there.
Hold on. Let's do it at the same time, dog. So we're not fucking running like crazy.
Abrimos con él.
Hot.
I know. Dad, that's for the fireworks.
They're hot.
Oh, the wrapping paper too? Can I touch one?
They're hot.
I know, can I touch?
No. That one didn't take off yet.
How about this one? Is it done?
Go. Bring us some, kick your ass. Get it.
It's not that bad, Sammy. Just get it.
I know, it's not even that bad. My dad doesn't hear
Why
it.
did you not get it though?
That's what you get, fireworks, bro. Good time for the big one, bro. See, add to the view, bro. I'm gonna use this as a video on YouTube, bro. Okay, we're gonna go show the other fireworks. It's gonna be the big ones, a little bit. Dad, this is like a medium right there.
You don't have to take food for that because you posted up and gonna get recorded. You gotta blur out it.
And also,
Damn, this has a bunch. 100 shots.
Put it more.
and also, kids, don't try this at home in the only outside, not inside, because you will get on fire.
Oh, man.
What happened?
Here's another one. Watch, it's gonna pop.
Like 4?
Just up here. I'm gonna do the big ones in a little bit.
No, the little ones and then the big ones. The big ones for last. Okay. You cop this.
This guy's gonna fuck it up. Hold on, Daddy. Hold on. Do him this way, Simon. Don't hit my car.
No, July 4th. What? That's it! I'm gonna pop, pop, pop. Dang.
There's a long one here. Move on.
How do it? That's a loud one. Almost from my ear. Oh, I did it for myself. Hobo man. Time for the medium one. Those are the small ones.
That was 100 shots? From where?
Bro, that was like 50. I don't think we're gonna.
Here, let little Julian like he wants to like that shit.
You gotta push that up, you know? That's the lock. You push it, it's the lock.
Dada. The next one, can I do it? Because I know how to light a lighter.
Junior.
Junior, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it after. Need help?
Hold it down and lock it.
No, you need to hold it out like that, like that.
There you go. Watch it.
That is whack. That's whack ass, bro. Nobody, bro. No, that was not even a good one. Watch you. It looks like aliens fighting, bro. What was that? That was whack too.
Here, like this one, Daddy. Here, like this one.
Hold on.
Ah.
Oh, doing a legal one?
Hold on. Let me light this one.
Let little do it, Daddy, first.
Oh no!
Gotta go more. Right there.
This one, Daddy?
Yeah.
Dang.
That's all good. You're good. It didn't fly out. I should have straightened it out.
Come on, get out of there.
Why?
Yeah, you're gonna have a demo hand. Get out of there.
What?
I said that's why.
It popped. It popped right here. It went bam. That was cool. I thought it was cool. Oh.
I forgot to record that one.
Great one.
Here, like this one.
Don't worry, I'll light this one. Let me get on camera.
Yeah, you'll see right now. Yeah, leave, and you're gonna miss the 1,000 shot.
Nice one.
What the heck is that?
Throw some water on that one.
Oh, there's a helicopter.
Chucky has some good boxer. 250.
Those are Las Vegas, I think.
Great one!
Let's go watch some real fireworks show, kid. That's probably Susana. Where's Simon? Hey, Liam, get out of there. There's a plant. Get out of there. Come here, Papa. Simon, here's some red plant.
Here.
you go.
Yeah, those other ones are pretty loud.
Imagine it pops out of the hole, bro. But we need to move these real quick.
I'm not gonna get burned.
Mom, get out the way.
Come on, Julian, you got this. There you go.
Oh, bro, really? That's not my fault.
Ah! Bro, that was
Shot.
what?
That's a boring high drum. That's better with the
What? Who said that?
What? Good, good.
This is a good one. Get back.
Callie's.
You record over there. Boy, get out of the way.
There's more. I like this sparking now.
You're gonna hear an atomic bomb across the street right now.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That was the best one of the night.
Like the king of one. That was a good one.
Car coming.
Here comes a car.
Let's get all these out of the room.
No, the parking
You're
doesn't.
supposed to have water in there.
Yeah, it's all good down here. These are fucking wet.
I swear they were. Who's gonna pick that one up?
From the truck, watch it.
Is it hot?
Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my god.
Watch it. Dad, what? Some of them are whack.
That was a good one.
Yeah, but yeah, that one was a good one.
Be nice.
I'm saying hi to the neighbor because you always need to be nice. Junior, let me call this on camera. Come on. Everybody get out the way. It looks like alien fighting.
Motherfucker fell off the edge.
Make sure there's no more. Everybody make sure there's some more.
To the side, wait, from the side, down the side. It's just tear something apart.
Okay, two more tries for Junior, and then I don't know, like 3 more tries for me. We're all gonna take turns. Are you okay? That one was loud. That one was hecka loud.
They already ran out.
They wasted it on.
You gonna light it, Papa?
Yeah, I wanna light it.
You're lighting it, Daddy?
You want me to light it? No, I wanna put this on camera too.
No, we can't go.
Right over here on this side. Yeah, on this side. There you go. Right there.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was a good one right there. I recorded it.
Let's get the big one.
Hold on.
Let's get the video. Yeah, video.
Wait, can I pick?
Papa.
I hear these 4.
I would say
Here, Daddy.
I
I'm just gonna open these.
want to use this.
Here. Here, Papa. Here, let's see that one. See it?
We each get to pick one.
Here.
I messed it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it for you.
We're gonna use that one because I think.
Who has another lighter?
What is it called?
I got my magic tricks, Dad.
This is called Happy.
What? That's a dumb name.
Here, little fighter, you gonna do it?
I wanted like a firework to say like the big
You gonna
one.
do it, Papa?
Yeah.
You're the man.
Come on, me and you are the man.
Now, we'll do one at a time.
All right.
One at a time.
Yeah. One at a time. Me and you. We should just keep on doing that.
Make sure it's secure. Make sure there's a good spot.
That's not even that. Oh! Did it go in your hair? What happened? Bro, what happened? Wait,
Just gonna do no, they're not loud, baby.
is it my turn?
Tired, I wanna go home.
Bro, it's my turn. Bro. Oh, it's my turn, bro. No, bro, what the? Bro, no, I want to lay down. Me and you. Well, I want to. After this, I'm going to light it.
Oh. Put it on someone.
What is that? Me and you are the man. Gonna knock
Not on top, put it on the floor.
these ones out. Right here. Bro, I'm gonna light it.
Get out of the room.
That one was two, guys. That one's. This one's back. Wait, can I light it? Because I didn't have. Michael, can I light it? 3 more tries.
Hold on. Go, Papa.
Hold on. That was whack. Whack. That one's done. Just cute. That one's done.
That's it.
That's it.
This one and one more.
We already got it.
Here, get the lighter. Here, you want to light it?
Yeah.
Light it right here. Look down.
Go back, it's a big one. Watch it. Big one.
Right there, that was a good one right there. Oh, only one more left. So, where's the last one?
Right now, let me get it.
No, para chill out already.
We're getting the last one, but it's the big one.
There's no more right there behind you. Jaylene. Daddy.
You gotta take a tube too. Oh, you already got a tube?
I got another one.
That one's a big one.
And what was that one called? The Predator?
I wish we could hit that fucking garbage can. Is it open? Put them in the trunk, Daddy. Put it in the trunk.
Got it?
Hold on. I'll tell you when because I'm gonna get this one out. I'm gonna do it right now.
Yeah, let me do it. Simon, you already did the other one. Hey, get the sprinkler. It's very nice. I'm not gonna light it next time. I'm able to light it. It's called quad bike.
Quads are coming.
Hold on. Let him pass.
Wait, you're gonna run it over.
Nah, he won't run it over. He's gonna go around to it. I light it.
Okay.
Right here. No, down here, fall on the bottom. This will be a big one.
Get the cup, Daddy. Give me the cup.
Let me get back.
Let's go, Daddy.
It's not working.
Big one. Get back. not scared no more, baby.
You okay? Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you guys next time.